Rome wasn't built in a day. Not Rome, not the pyramids of Giza. Look around. We're still building America. Greatness doesn't rise on its own, half completed out of thin air. The core work must be complete. Without a solid foundation, everything will inevitably crumble. You believe in excellence and precision. You believe in integrity. You don't believe in haphazard or good enough. You're not about that. Never have been. You put in the time. Day and night, you work hard to be the best you can be. You've been bruised, cut, blood came out. Someone may ask, why are you so exacting? You say to them, because that's the way it's done. You're not the only bumped and bruised along the way, but you are one of the few who remained, who persevered. The others packed it in, got jobs selling mobile phones. This is your moment. You put in the work that separates you from a line of people that don't know the difference between a job and a craft. You have perfected your craft. You see, the thing is, you have credentials that speak for you. You put the time into NCCER, and NCCER is putting their name behind you. When you show your card, you show what you can do. They know what you bring. They know that you can get the job done the right way. The only thing you have to worry about now is playing it cool.